Don't quit and stay determined. It's a hard statement to follow when dealing with renovation projects. I think everyone can relate when I say that we have all left a project half done or uncompleted at least once in our lives. I am over 1 year into this renovation of my house now. Many projects, thankfully, have been completed. Several projects remain partially finished, while others are on the horizon, waiting to commence. I'm constantly fighting my urge to drop the hammer and take a long break, contrasting with my unwavering determination to carry forward with this project and complete the transformation of the house. I wanted to focus this video on my biggest hurdle of renovating a house. That hurdle is not ability or know-how, although these are very important for success. I wanted to focus on doubt. Sometimes people say to me, "Why don't you quit and pay someone to finish your house quicker? Can you really do it yourself?" I'd pay an expert to do it if I were you. Isn't it tiring? When I initially embarked on the daunting task of reviving the entire house myself, I was overcome by similar doubts. I also doubted my ability to see the immense project through to the end. Doubts, it turns out, are companions to many people that are thinking about doing renovations themselves. It's important to disregard these doubts so that we may succeed in all our endeavors. Please don't misconstrue me. I'm not the one to quit easily, but doubt can be a powerful enemy. We all face moments of doubt, those instances in tough times when surrender seems tempting and welcomed. The idea of perseverance evaporates into the wind when projects seem to be failing. Our endeavors often veer from our perfectly laid plans. These truths extend not just to our goals in life, but also to the humble realm of DIY projects and home renovations. One strategy I have found to evade burnout and the urge to quit is to step away when things get tough, tiring, or confusing. In a sense, it's like quitting, but it's a temporary quit. It might sound counterintuitive, yet it works wonders for the mind and body. Just stop in the middle of the project. It's okay, really. Taking a breather to relish life and the company of loved ones is crucial. Take time to enjoy life and spend time with those who matter most. Don't be in a hurry to finish a big project and neglect your mental, physical, and emotional health of not just yourself, but those around you. Engage in moments of leisure. Return to the project after rejuvenation, armed with a newfound vigor. You'll find your mind clearer and the solutions to any problems more accessible. Home renovation is no gentle task. Let me rephrase that. Home renovation in Japan is very difficult. It strains your mind, body, time, and if one isn't careful, the wallet too. But what has always captivated me about this whole experience is the end result of such trials. When you finally figure out how to complete the project, that euphoric feeling, the surge of joy when the task is finally completed. Standing before the completed project with a sense of pride and relief, that's the reward. Every renovation job is going to give you a certain amount of doubt in the beginning. Even a seemingly simple task like installing floors follows a similar path. At the outset, excitement bubbles up as we envision the finished space. We imagine how the room will look and feel once it's done. Our mental picture may bring us excitement and joy at first. That excitement soon fades away as we realize this project isn't going to finish quickly or easily. Also, the weariness from our daily routines sets in. The thought of aching muscles and exhaustion from a hard day's labor, with the next day looming, dampens our resolve to start and complete a project. And nothing ever goes according to plan. Tools break, the right equipment is missing, materials run out, or unexpected hurdles emerge without a solution in sight. Allow me to emphasize, whether facing monumental ambitions or modest aspirations, surrender should never be an option. Let's banish phrases that imply giving up or putting self-imposed limitations on ourselves. Phrases like, "I'm not capable," "I can't," and "I have no idea what I'm doing." While this might sound dramatic, these words shape our resilience against future challenges, both small and large. Even if people around you pile doubts in your head, push forward with the naive confidence that it will all come out perfect. It absolutely won't come out perfect, but that's okay. I recall my initial attempt at laying wood flooring many years ago. It was a plunge into the unknown. It's astonishing how many complications arise and how little makes sense when you're new to a task as simple as floor installation. The irony is now, wood floor installation seems straightforward and effortless. And that's the point I aim to convey here. Every skill has its humble beginnings. But reaching the point where something becomes second nature or simple to us requires taking that first step. Embrace the learning curve. Welcome mistakes early on in the process. This is how we learn and improve. Know that with time, it will indeed become simple, and the process will bring joy. Soon, you'll mold your house space as you desire, and upon entering the room, you'll stand tall and content, knowing that you orchestrated this transformation. This accomplishment, far better than outsourcing to others to accomplish for you, stems from your belief in your own abilities. Because you can learn, and you can excel when you become persistent. Remember, enjoy the process, and most importantly, relish in the end result. Start, learn, rest, finish. All done. That was easy. Just kidding. It's always hard. Thanks everyone for your support and encouragement this year, and I look forward to another year of fun and excitement, and hopefully many successful DIY renovation projects. Be sure to hit that like button to support the channel. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing to stay in the loop. And what do you do to stay motivated? Let me know in the comments below. I like to hear it. See you next time.